Hello viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you all a wonderful recipe of homemade assorted chocolates, both white and milk. For that we are going to need some dark compound. This would cost around 85 rupees for 400 gram. And then some white compound. For 400 gram this would cost around 125 rupees. And then some milk compound. It costs around 100 rupees for 400 gram. These are easily available in baking supply store near your city, or you can get them online too. I have got some silicone molds here and some plastic molds like this. If you don't have any, don't worry, you can use regular ice trays. That works too. At first we'll make some white chocolate. For that I'm using 100 grams of white compound and I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds it started melting, but it's not yet done. So I'm going to microwave it for another 30 seconds. Now it's completely done. See, it's melted completely. So we can just go ahead and fill in the molds. I take some plastic mold and I'm going to fill. To melt the compounds you can either use microwave or use a double boiler method. And this is ready now. We can set it aside for some time. Here I am using double boiler method to melt the rest of the compounds. I have got 200 grams of milk compound and then 100 gram of dark compound. You can use 100 grams each also. So melt it for 5 minutes like this. So keep stirring, and now it's ready. Make sure the water doesn't splash into your melting chocolate. So now I am going to fill in the molds. So here I have this heart-shaped silicone mold. So let us just go ahead and pour in the compound. Now I am also making some double-decker chocolate. For that, at first I am adding some white compound and I am going to rest it for 2 minutes. After that we can just go ahead and add our dark compound over it. Also let us fill in our ice tray and check out how it turns out. It's been 2 minutes and the white chocolate is partially set. So let us just go ahead and pour in the dark compound. So we are going to set all the molds in the freezer for 5 minutes now. You can also refrigerate for 30 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our chocolates are now ready. Let's just go ahead and unmold. Look how easily it's coming out. When it is done, it will come out easily, so you don't have to struggle with it. Look at the design. Let me unmold chocolate from our ice tray now. So yeah, it's coming out easily. Look at this cute little chocolate. Very nice. So here I have tried making some random design kind of marble chocolate. That came out easily too. Finally, here are our heart-shaped chocolates, and we tried making some double-decker chocolate too. Let's check how it's turned out. Wow, this has come so nice. So here I have the assorted white and milk chocolates. Each one is looking very yummy. I just can't wait to taste it. So I hope you like this video. Give it a try and share your experience with me. And subscribe to my channel to stay connected with my latest videos. We'll see you all with another interesting recipe next time. Till then, happy cooking.